Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix and polish your vocals in BandLab so they sound clean and professional. First of all, record or import the vocals. Open the BandLab and either record your vocals directly or import an existing track that needs fixing. Click the plus icon. Here you can record your own voice or audio, or you can import the file whichever you want. After you have selected the file, it will automatically generate the track of that file. Now use auto pitch / auto tune. Tap your vocal, then hit the FX auto pitch. Hit your track at the side, you will see the FX button. Click on that FX button. After that, the effect panel will open. Then choose the key and scale of your song and adjust the strength slider. This fixes off pitch notes and smooth out your performance. Simply select the and you can auto pitch it and change the pitch of the sound. Now to remove the background noises, next add noise reduction or noise gate from the FX menu. Then go to the FX menu again. You can search it from here. You can search noise reduction or noise gate and add it. Adjust the threshold to remove background hiss or hum without affecting your voice. Then add the effect. Finally, enhance your vocals with reverb, EQ and compression to make them sit well in the mix and sound polished. And that's it. With auto pitch, noise reduction and a few effects, your vocals will sound professional in BandLab. Don't forget to hit the like and share, hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.